Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your join on or join off in Roblox. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, whether you're using a mobile device, a tablet, or a computer, just follow along. Click on more right here. Now go ahead and click on settings. Now find privacy. Just click on privacy and content restriction. And once you're in here under privacy and content restrictions, just go ahead and find visibility and private servers. Okay. Click on it. Now click on visibility, just like so. And once done, you can basically just change this one to everyone or show current game to everyone as well. Let's say everyone right here. This feature at the very bottom will be available as well. So basically, whenever you're online, everyone can join your games. If set to no one could see your online status, and then no one could join your games as well. Show current game, everyone as well, if you want everyone to see and join your current game. That's basically it. That's how simple it is to change your joins on or joins off in Roblox. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.